So, how do we all feel about doing some Halloween hit training today? Do we know what the term hit means? Give me a thumbs up if you know what hit means. Shout out some answers if you want. Okay, so it's high intensity interval training, and that's what we're going to be looking to do today, but we're going to throw in loads of fun with it as well. Is that okay with all of you? Shall we get started? Right, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to ask you a question related to a Halloween song, and you are going to tell me if you know the name of that song. Okay, so my first question to you before we press play. Here's the first song, see if you know it. Which cartoon features the characters Scrappy, Shaggy, Thelma, Daphne and Fred? Shout out some answers if you know. Who's that? Scooby-Doo? 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 Oh, Scooby-Doo! Scooby-Doo, well done everyone. Right, so we're going to play a game with the Scooby-Doo song, and I'm going to give you some poses that I need you to learn really quick, because the game is going to be the freeze game. So, your first Halloween pose I want you to do is going to be the scarecrow in the field, and this is what I want you to strike. There's your scarecrow in the field, yeah? Oh my gosh, Jack has just joined us! Jack's here! I really think he's doing a good impression of a scarecrow in a field, yeah? Everyone agree? Excellent, so there's your scarecrow in a field. But when I shout out, Mummy, I want you as tight as you can be. And if I come a bit closer to you, look at my mouth, you're going to go just like a mummy, because they can't talk, yeah? So practice your mummies for me. Mummy, as still as you can. Okay, so what was the first one? Scarecrow in the field? And Mummy. Fab, I saw some amazing listening for there then, and really good memories turned on as well. Well done everyone. So, your second pose is going to be a monster. Now, if you want to growl in this one, go ahead and do it. But your monster is going to go, Rawr! Come on, show me what you got. Rawr! And then you're going to hold it there until that music plays again. Cool? Everybody understand? But we're not done yet. We've got a few more that I need you to remember for me. So, your fourth pose, I'm going to shout out, pumpkin patch. And you're going to come down and you're going to make a really big pumpkin. Everybody show me your pumpkins. Quick, down to the floor, quick, 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 everybody get a pumpkin. And relax. Right, up we come. Your last position that I'm going to shout out for you is going to be witch on a broom. Now your witch on your broom, she's got a little bit of a hunchback, she's holding her broom tight, and she needs to come down. So from the side, look, there's me being a witch, riding my broom. So let's test. Scarecrow on a field. Mummy. Hang on, let me check some of those mouths. Are they closed tight? Well done, everyone. Monster. Fantastic listening. Pumpkin patch. A witch in a broom. Was Jack doing all of those right then? I don't think he was. I'm pretty sure. Jack, what did you do for pumpkin patch? You were pointing at the pumpkin. He was pointing at the pumpkin. Right, so are you ready to play the freeze game? To the Scooby-Doo music? We're going to dance as much as we want in between. Try and stay on the spot. Just dance there, okay? And as soon as the music stops, you're going to listen to what pose I'm going to tell you to strike. And I'm going to see if you can remember it. Ready? Here goes our first song. Show me your best dance moves. Come on, I can see you dancing better than that. I want your best dance moves. Keep going, keep going. Scarecrow in a field. Where's your scarecrows? Where's your scarecrows in the field? Oaklands, where's your scarecrows? Ah, you weren't waiting for me to do it. You've got to remember. Right, I'm going to press play again. I'm going to give you another chance. Listen up for what I'm going to tell you to do, okay? Here we go. Come on, show me your best dance moves. Scooby after a snack. Mummy! Oh, I don't think the hands out for the mummy. I think the hands are by the sides. Let me come and see whose mouths are closed. Should we keep them like that for the rest of the lesson? I think your teachers might agree. I won't do that to you. Ready? Let's dance. Off we go. Come on, show you your best Scooby moves. Pumpkin patch. Where's your pumpkins? Pumpkin patch, get on the floor, quick, get on the floor. Pumpkin patch. Let's go, let's dance again. Go, 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 up we get. Monster! I can't hear you growling. Oh, there was some awesome growls then. I could see them ones coming right from the belly. You meant that growl. Off we go, get dancing. Come on, I need these bodies nice and warm, ready for exercise. Witch on a broom. Well done. Do you know what I think we need to do? I think this music is a bit slow. Should we remix Scooby-Doo? I think so.
What's the Scooby-Doo? We're coming after you.
Come on! Come on, let it go! As much energy as I can get. Go for it. Pumpkin patch! Where's your pumpkin patch? Oaklands, where's your pumpkin patch? Quick, get down! Oh, Penna England, amazing listening. Loving it. Right, one more chance, and we're going to take it on to the next section. Ready? Here comes the music. Remix. What kind of moves does Scooby-Doo do? Does he do any of this? With his paws? Monster! Yeah! Got it in one. Well done, everyone. Right, are we feeling like we've got our listening ears turned on properly? Yeah, because I think that was a really good listening then. So, we're going to go now, and we're going to change it up. And we are going to learn a little bit of a routine to my next song. But before I can play that song, you've got to answer the question correctly for me. Now, remember now, Halloween reigns in tune. Here comes your question. show, think of the character in that TV show. And her name is one of the days in the week. Shout out some answers for me. And if you don't know, ask your teachers for help. See if they know. Say what? Did I hear somebody shout Wednesday then? Yeah? Yeah, well done everyone. Oh my gosh. Wednesday's appeared. Is this Wednesday? It'll do for now. Okay, so here's what we're going to need to do. We're going to have to learn some of the moves. And I think some of you might already know them. So, a little bit of intense training to start. We're going to lift our knees and tap them with our hands. Now, I want your knees lifted as high as you can get them, yeah? Excellent. And in between, we're going to add a little bit of a step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap. But, is this the dance you usually see to the Wednesday song? It's not, is it? So, feet together, hands come behind your back, and we're going to go, I'll dance, 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 with my hands, 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 above my head, 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 and then I want you to turn face this way, and we're going to go like Jesus said, and then face the front again, and you're going to do it all again. So try that with me, hands come behind, feet together, bend your knees. I'm going to dance, 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 with my hands, 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 above my head, 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 like Jesus said. Should we give it a go? And I've got one last question. Who can do push-ups? Show me some of your best push-ups before we get started. On the floor, on your toes. Ready? I'll show you mine as well. Okay? Bottoms down, elbows up, push-up. Down, up, down, up. Well, I must say there must be some strong arms and chests in these schools because those push-ups are amazing. Shall we press pray, everyone? Let's go for it. Here comes our Wednesday song. Right, on your toes to start, creep around. And we're going to get ready to lift our knees higher and tap it with our hands. Ready?
Love is history that they make even when you're gone.
That's it, come on, knees up. Tap, tap, down, tap, down, tap. Here we go, feet together, hands behind. Side. Again. Step side to side. Clap, clap. Stepping nice and wide, bend your knees. Oh, I think some of you have done this before. Tiptoe round. Knees up. Tap, 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 tap. Are we puffing a little bit? Just a little, yeah? Ready? Oh, I think the girls have definitely done this before. Wednesday Adams got nothing on us. Step, clap, step, clap. That's it, nice and big. Tiptoe round. everyone. That was amazing work. Give yourselves a clap on that one. Ooh, I don't know about you lot. I'm a bit hot and sweaty by here, and it might be this long hair. Ooh. Right, thumbs up for that one, everyone. So are we ready to take it to our next question? Yeah? Quiz time. Let me get my question. Okay, listen and use on, everyone. See if you know this. What is another name for professional ghost hunters? Does anybody know another name for a professional ghost hunter? Shout some answers out. Come on, I can't hear you. Shall I give you another clue? Here it comes. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Yeah! Well done, everyone. Right. So are we ready for some Ghostbusters? Now, if you see any surprise guests floating around in the background, keep an eye out, let me know at the end, okay? Yeah? Thumbs up if you're going to let me know. Fantastic. Right, now, we need to learn these moves. So, because there's some special moves that go with these Ghostbusters. First of all, you need to get your guns. Now, who knows what the Ghostbusters gun is called? Anybody? Do your teachers know if you don't? Who said proton blaster? Did anybody say proton blaster then? Hang on, what are you pointing for? What are you pointing for? There's nothing there. No, I don't see anything. There's nothing there. Oh! Goodness me. That's alright, man. This one's just my friend Boo. But we call him Boo Boo for long. Boo Boo the ghost. Isn't he cute? He's my friend from A Nightmare Before Christmas. He bothers with Jack more than me. He prefers the male company. Right, so, stay over there now a second, Boo Boo, because I need to explain to all these children what they need to be doing, okay? So, protein blasters at the ready. We're going to be firing our protein blasters. Sometimes we might want to hold it in two hands. Yeah, it's up to you. And we're going to be doing a little bit of a jog on the spot. And we're going to come down into a squat. So the feet come wider, and you're going to just go 2 pulses. 1, 2, and when it says Ghostbusters, you're going to go Ghostbusters, but make sure you have your proton blaster fingers, okay? So, who are you going to call? Ghostbusters! Oh, excellent. Do you know what? You were listening. It's fantastic. Right, from there, the music's going to change a bit, and we're going to go to head, head, hips, hips, butt pushes out, and the hands are going to come up, and we're going to jump over to the side, but only little jumps, okay? So when you're doing it, you need to stay nice and low in your legs. And then we're going to do the same this side. Head, head, hips, hips, butt out, jump it over for 4. Are we okay with that? Yeah, don't forget now, if you see Boo interfering at any point, just let me know, okay? Because I can't always see him. Are we ready to start? Get your proton blasters ready? Stop now because you keep frightening me. These boys and girls want to do this. Here we go.
Sleeping in your bed.
Oh, who are you gonna call? Yeah, pets. Push back. Over.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Proton blasters.
Who you gonna call? If you're all alone, pick up the phone. And
Who are you gonna call?
I ain't afraid.
Right, that's it. Where's my proton blaster? Watch out, you. Watch out. Another proton blaster coming for you. You keep getting in the
I
way.
ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Come on, off you go. Off you go.
Who you gonna call?
Don't wait for me. As soon as you hear who you're gonna call.
You better call.
Head, hips, butt. Over we go.
Let me tell you something. Buster makes me feel good. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
One more.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Don't get caught alone, no.
Protein blasters ready. Get down.
Come through your door. Unless you just want some more. I think
Up,
you better call.
down.
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters.
Who you gonna call? I think you better call.
One more. Who are you gonna call?
I can't
Yeah.
see. Who you gonna call?
Oh, well done, everyone. Did we beat all them ghosts that time? Do you think Boo's gone for good? He'll be back later, I'm sure. He'll be back to pester us again. We'll see. Right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna ask you another question. See if you can guess it, and then while the music is playing, you can go and if you've got a little drink with you, if you just want to rest, then just take a little bit of a rest for a minute, and then we're gonna come back in, ready for our one last big burst of energy. Yeah? So before you go anywhere, question. This is a really easy one. You should all know this one. So, what was Captain Jack Sparrow a pirate of? What was that? Shout it out for me. Pirates of the Caribbean, that's it. So we're going to play some Pirates of the Caribbean music. And by the time the music is ended, I want everybody back where you are, ready to go again, okay? Go have a little drink, go have a sit down and a rest. Right, teachers, while this is playing, I'm just going to disappear off screen for a minute. And when you come back, I'll ask the next question off screen, but you need to help your students with this one, okay? Won't be long. Just give me a thumbs up. Okay, is everybody back ready to go again? Give me a thumbs up if you can all hear me, okay? Can everybody hear me? Thumbs up if you can hear me. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, so we're going to begin with our next question. So I'm not going to come on the screen at the moment, only because I've got a little bit of a surprise. So we need to ask the question first. So get your teachers to help you with this one because you lot may not know. But if your teachers know, shout the answer out straight away, okay? Can you all do that for me? Okay, barod? Okay, so ask your teachers for help for this one. The singer in this song wore a red leather jacket and turned into a werewolf. What's the name of the song? Scary? No, Scary's not the name of the song. You can go on, shout it louder for me. Thriller! Yeah, well done everyone! And here we are! This is me and my Michael Jackson look for Thriller. Am I looking good? I know, it's probably the first time you've seen a blue Michael Jackson. Okay, so now that we know what song we're going to be dancing to, are we ready to learn the moves? Yeah? Thumbs up everyone, are we ready? Barod? Ardderchog. Okay, so signature Michael Jackson moves for Thriller. Hands out in front. Shoulders up. This is our zombie, okay? So you've all got to pretend to be zombies for me right now. You're going to stamp your feet and you're going to try and shake your shoulders at the same time. It's a bit of a difficult one. Can you give it a go? And every now and then, you're going to flick your head to the side. Flick. 1, 2, flick. 1, 2, flick. 1, 2, flick. Good. From there, make sure there's a little bit of space in front of you. Because you're going to turn to the side, everybody face this way, and your hands are going to come out wide. And you're going to go your front leg, step, and then the back leg is going to bring it together. And then you're going to do it again. Step, together. Now from there, keep the feet the same. We're going to reach up over our heads. 1, 2, and then you're going to turn and do the same again. 1, 2. And we're going to go from the beginning, doing it to the back. So hands come wide. You're going to go step, together, reach up, and then you turn to face the other way, and you go up and up. Now, I want to see your zombie shake. Your zombie shake is going to come round. 1, 2, so you're going to come low on the legs and shake the shoulders, yeah? Hands on your thighs, and we're going to go step, 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 step. And then you're going to do it back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I can't sing everyone, so you'll have to excuse me if my voice goes a bit funny. But it's going to go, because this is Thriller, and we're going to go step, clap. Hands up. Zombie walk side to side, and we're going to walk across. And then do it again. Walk it across. Back into our claps. The last move I want you to learn is the Michael Jackson shimmy. So you're going to take a really wide step, and you're going to drag the other foot in, and you're going to shake the shoulders and clap overhead. And then we're going to go back the other way. Wide step. those moves. Don't worry if you haven't, because we're going to get a chance to repeat it loads. And I want to hear you all doing the evil laugh at the end. Yeah? In fact, give me a practice of your evil laugh right now. Ready? Here's mine. What do you think? Was that good or bad? Yeah, it wasn't the best, was it? Show me yours. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't hear everybody there. Let's give it another go. E, die, tree. Evil laugh. Well done, everyone. Right. Shall we press play? Yeah, let's go for it. Ready? Right, start down like a zombie. This is my Michael Jackson wave walk. He's going to join us. We're going to start to climb up really creepy. Ready? Slowly start to twitch and climb up. Arms up. Zombie walk and twitch. Turn to the side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Reach up, 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 back. Keep going. 2, 1, 2. Reach up, 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 up. Reach. Shimmy to me. Going round. 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Zombie walk right. Forward. Turn. Right into the clap. Here we go. Walk over. Arms. Zombie walk. Side. Open. Reach up. 1, 2. 1, 2. Back. Reach. Turn. Shimmy round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, really give me some shoulder. Ready for the claps? Walk over. Oh, we have some more company. We need lunch. Come on, Winnie. Show me your best Michael Jackson. Right. Because they really like trying to leg over. Yeah, well done, everyone. Teamwork. Here we go. 1, 2, up. Twitch the head. Walk it in. 1, 2, 1, 2, back. Shimmy. Turn me. Walk, walk, walk round. Come on, we're zombies. We're supposed to drag our feet. Clap up. Clap. Four. Clap again. Clap. Clap. Give me a thumbs up if you did the laugh. Amazing, well done everyone. Right, we've got one more thing left to do. Now, I wonder if any of you can tell me what's the really important thing that we need to do after exercise to make sure that our muscles aren't sore? Does anyone know the answer? Does anybody know what we need to do now to make sure that we aren't sore tomorrow after all this hard work? Stretch, that's right. Look, Jack's even giving you a clue. He's giving you a clue. He's stretching. Okay, so here comes my last question. Really, really easy. And if you were listening well at the beginning of the session, I actually told you what it was. So, here it is. Are you ready? Who am I? Who am I? Sally! Yeah, well done. So we are going to start stretching to Sally's song. Now, my friend Jack by here, he's extremely flexible and he can show you how to do the splits. Maybe not, he might break a leg. So are we all ready to have a nice stretch and cool down, ready to go home to enjoy our Halloween holidays? Let's start stretching. So everybody, I just want you to take your hands, bring your feet together, and take them behind your back, and pull down. So this is going to stretch your shoulders and all at the top of your chest. Take a big breath in through your nose, and slow breaths out through your mouth. And release. Okay, taking this leg, take a long step back and push your heel down to the ground. And the same arm is going to come up and over so that we stretch into our tricep and we stretch our calf muscles. Slowly release the arms, stepping the foot in. Let's test our balance while we stretch the front of our leg. Does anybody know what this is called? It's your quad. Well done for those of you that know. So hand out, and we're going to hold by our shoelaces and pull our heel in towards our butts. Lifting your chest nice and tall and keep squeezing the muscles in your belly to stay nice and steady. And release. Changing legs. So this leg, firstly, we need to take it back long. Arm comes up and over. And we reach for the other shoulder. So this is what it should look like. Well, apparently, we have a bit of Bee Gees. A Bee Gees Halloween. Carry on stretching, everyone. Step your foot in. Hold at your laces on the other leg. How are we all feeling? Are we feeling a bit tired? Or do we feel like we can go again? Not today. Okay, release your foot. Side twists. Just release all the muscles in our upper back. And then I want you to take one hand, and take the other hand, and give yourselves a big clap, everyone. And I hope you all have a fantastic Halloween. Happy Halloween!